Hello, JNN Reviews here, and today I am very excited to review this free sample provided by Labelland. So it is a clothing stamp. Mine looks like this. This is a training underwear for my toddler, and this is how it looks. So you can choose in the website a symbol. It can be a flower, it can be a soccer ball, it can be a rocket, and the name on the first line and the name on the second line. So this is how it looks mine. I like Blinky. This is what I chose. So all you have to do is just, let's say if I want it here, I want to put Blinky like that and just stamp it. This is great because it's not going to come off with laundry detergent. You can safely put this in the laundry, and it's great. Also, you can put it in book bags or lunch boxes. It's good for up to 1,000 stamps, so you have plenty to label. It comes with this carrying case, which is great. For example, this is white. It works good in light colors, but you have to make sure it doesn't go through the other side. Like for example, this is white, but here the material is pretty thick. So this is great for uniforms and, like for example, jeans, things like that. That if it goes like on the other, let's for example, a white T-shirt, you have to make sure where do you put it, that it doesn't show on the other side, and do a test stamp. So this is great. I hope you enjoy it. They have different characters there. Thank you for watching.